2020 GMC AT4 Carbon Pro Edition. Really nice truck. It's a carbon fiber bed and other accents are carbon fiber. We got factory converters there and there. Then no more third cat, 3-inch pipe. Then we put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. Added an extra piece of 3-inch to make up for that gigantic muffler that's there. Then we continued it. The stock. It's got two giant resonators, one there and one there. The Sierra AT4. That's how you put a Flow FX on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. And if you guys want it, the link will be in the description. Hope you guys like it. There's the part number 71419. What do you think? Again? Sound decibels? Go ahead. He didn't want it too loud, he didn't want it to drone. About 98. It's about 98 on the sound decibels. That's not bad. That's perfect. Yeah. And the carbon edition comes with black tips, which I really like compared to the chrome ones. Just looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. That's mean. Let you guys hear on the inside. (2020) GMC Carbon Pro 6.2 liter V8 AT4. We just put a Flow FX on it. They sound the best. If you don't want a lot of drone, that's the one you go with, and leave the resonators on it. There it is at idle.